Good afternoon, beautiful people. How are you all doing? So we're here again with another program. I know it's politics time. And we all know so my slogan is, made it have to be a labor right. What me just say? Made it have to be a labor right. Or in a part two, you could have said, made it have to be a labor right. Alright? So let's get into that story now. Because I just the debaters them want to listen. The reason why I put up these videos is not highlight and promote these people, These videos is just to show how dark and uneducated some of our nation voters are. And it happened on both sides of that party. But I feel like say the PNP party, that is what they're campaigning on. Pure misinformation. It's like how the IC drop a report now, them skin catch a fire. Now, if you listen to the early report this morning from Nationwide from George Davis, he had a more comprehensive assessment of the IC. I'm not speaking because him speak really in favor of the Labour Party, but it was just more sensical. Nationwide Cliff Hughes came on at 10 o'clock and he's declaring so well Andrew only have some bank account, him never did declare. Nobody know if a bank account we're using a business, It just never declare. So we don't really know the full story. We're waiting on the report to be tabled in Parliament. Then the PNP, them now go wait. Because them not really have nothing for campaign plan. Them only want to hear say Andrew own statutory declaration correct or some illicit, whatever. That is their campaigning issue. No, don't get me wrong, I am a very fair person, If we have JLP people in the government, that is illicit enrichment, involvement with them, then we need to get rid of them. We not come say, oh, anybody in the illicit six, because we don't know about the illicit six, but anybody who I try in the government, where I try to get rich, the little scheme way, don't think say me there support and say, yeah man, make it go and turn a blind. I know, but there's no proof, there's no evidence, there's nothing to show what speculation goes on, because me and you who are listening can send in a report to the IC about somebody else for them start investigate till names start call and scrutinize or whatever. Now I want you to listen to the PNP panel. This is a different panel from the one they want to call the fish panel. You understand me? Me not call him so, you not call him so. So this is a different panel. You see the lady we are speaking on this program here, she don't reside in Jamaica. She is a Jamaican, She born here, so you can't take it from her. But she don't reside. I probably should have Antigua or one of these Caribbean. And I will never get up and hear she speak about Antigua. It's like, okay, Antigua is the best. Every day she get up and she speak about the government of Jamaica, not the opposition. The opposition is squeaky clean for her. So when you listen to what the PNP them has to say, how they break down the Integrity Commission report. You understand what I say? Listen carefully.
There wasn't any recommendation, and this say for immediate release, right? So it says the Integrity Commission anticipates that its investigation report.
Smile, hold on. When it says for immediate release, is for immediate release to the public. To say that the Integrity Commission has submitted the document to Parliament.
Let me finish now.
That's what yes. Okay.
Let me finish. I know that. So let me finish and then on can say
go close my door.
Mute your phone. Integrity Commission anticipates that its investigation report, which was submitted pursuant to and in conformance with section 54. So we need to look what is 54 of the Integrity Commission Act together with the reference indicative ruling, full ruling, and section 36.3. So we need to know what section 54 says and what section 36.3 says. Special report will be tabled in Parliament as soon as possible. As soon as possible. When you say as soon as possible, then means say as soon as possible. So that means that they can delay this one year. Section 5(4) and 4 of the Integrity Commission Act provides that where the report from the Director of Investigation to the Commission has a recommendation under subsection 3, the Commission shall submit it to Parliament for tabling. So people, we need to look what section 36 says and what section 54 say, and that's where we will get. But it says it needs, the report needs to be tabled as soon as possible, right? As soon as possible.
Please note that the Integrity Commission is no longer under Gaga.
Them are tell them say them need for do it, so they cannot. Them can't hold it up like how them did hold up the other one, because that was not a ruling, that was only a report to say
a special report. Yeah, but this is an indicative report, meaning final, complete. So the IC. Yes. The IC is no longer under Gaga. The IC can do anything they want as long as they follow the rules and have the constitution that govern them, put it to the Parliament to be released at its earliest possible time. The earliest to see the next.
It never said the earliest. It didn't say the earliest. It said as soon as possible. It's different.
No, Mr. Blair said the act that the law that govern the IC say at the earliest possible date.
This report say as soon as possible.
No. I'm talking about Mr. Blair said. Mr. Blair said. That's not what I said. Mr. Blair, let me do correct me now. You said the IC said it must the earliest possible date. That's what you said.
As soon as possible.
Alright, as soon as possible. As soon as possible.
It did not say at the next sitting.
But wait a minute, Mr. Blair. Mr. Blair, as soon as possible, supersede the next date.
Yes.
Immediately more important than the next date. You can't call the Parliament on Sunday. You can't call the Parliament on special meeting now on Sunday. It's more important than the next day. So that I tell you, it's far more important than the next sitting of Parliament.
As soon as possible means that the next time Parliament starts.
You can have a special date. You can have a special meeting.
As early as possible. As early as possible is a different thing. But as soon as possible, them means say the next time we not go in a Parliament, we don't need to table it.
No,
that's not what it meant.
Yeah, but soon as
that's not what it meant, because hold on, Smile. If they want it to be read at the immediate next sitting, they would have put it in it to say it must be read at the next sitting of Parliament.
No.
Them say at the earliest possible time.
But Mr. Blair,
if Parliament, if Parliament have something before the report, it is up to Parliament if they want to do it that day, or they can make it go on to another week. It can be done that way.
Mr. Blair, on the budget. Only the budget debate can do. We're not, Mr. Smile, on the budget debate. Mr. Blair, let me tell you something. This report can have indication on how the country is governed. 8 members of Parliament can include the Prime Minister. So that is very important. So remember that. So that's why I must go as important
We'll go through all of that.
Here. Hold on, Cash, before you go. People, when my manager sends me a email and put as soon as possible, it means say, I must make sure say me whatever me I do, me make sure say me prioritize that particular thing that they're asking for. So it doesn't matter what other things I have that is not prior. I need to put that as a priority. That is what soon as possible means.
And only budget alone, only the budget debate alone, only the budget alone.
Let me just clarify that. So
yes, that's right.
The Integrity Commission cannot control when the Parliament tables the report. They can recommend that it be tabled as soon as possible. However, when it is tabled, it's totally controlled by Parliament. So that's just to clarify that part. So you can recommend it be made as soon as possible, but it really is not here or there with Parliament. It's really their choice.
Did you get this? I think you did not go for the section.
Yeah, ma'am, I'll go through the section now, man, just to clarify that part.
Okay.
But Cash, you know, so this report can have detrimental effect of how the government.
Yeah, man. So that's why it is.
So this is more important. This is more important than any other thing.
It's going to be very tricky when they decide how and when they decide to table it. Because if they wait too long, it's not good for them.
No, but looking at Cash, but remember, said the IC is no longer under a gag order. So if the IC were two sitting now, the IC can put out the content of the report without them being breach of their that's what government. True or false?
All right, well, let me just check through that. Let me see what the IC access.
So we need 36 and 3 and 54 and 4.
Yeah, man, I have that part there already. I just want to check something.
Sunshine, I'm smile again, rather. You know what I'm afraid of? We don't want them give them no time to go book them plane ticket before the report release, you know. At that, I'm afraid of coming know the labor government, you know.
As we catch the banana control, them alone have control over that.
Because I understand, me don't want them to book them plane ticket, you know. And take them flight and when they departure lounge, it already, you know. Because of the secretary of the reading, ain't it? All right, Deputy Speaker, the Speaker.
Parliament is the highest court of the land. Never forget that.
We all know that, Mr. Blair. Mr. Blair. But what I'm afraid of, then what use? Me have to ask the question. Hold on.
So just to
clarify, ask the question, but nobody answer me. What is the word possible? What the word possible means? That's all I want to know.
So just to clarify that part, in the section 53, number 3, the integrity act specifically prohibits.
Hello, good evening. Parliament is the highest court of the land.
It's not. May I speak first, sir? Please.
Hello?
Cosmotopy, Cash, you get this something and then you get
Yeah, but let me just say this. Section 53, number 3 of the Integrity Commission Act specifically prohibits the commission from prohibits the commission from publicly releasing investigation reports before they are tabled in Parliament. So no, IC can't go tell me nothing about it until Parliament decides to table it.
Which one is that? Is that 36.3?
No, this is section 53. Me just want to comment power.
No, it's 54.4. 54.4.
No. Me not get to that yet. Me just want to comment power. You Richards was asking if the IC can speak on it if Parliament refuses to table it on time. So I was just saying no, they can't speak on it based on section 53.3.
Read 53, 54. Go back to 54.
Go there.
I'll go back to that now. Hold on. Give me a second. Alright, so we'll start with 54 then first.
Whichever one, 36.3 or 54.4, whichever one.
Alright, so section 54, number 4 of the Integrity Commission Act, this clause emphasizes that if the Director of Corruption Prosecution has recommendations following an investigation, they must be submitted to Parliament for tabling. This means that the contents of the report and the rulings are likely significant and could potentially lead to further parliamentary debate and policy changes or legal action.
Okay.
Section 36(3) of the Integrity Commission Act. This provision allows the Commission to submit reports on any matter deemed necessary, specifically those requiring the attention of Parliament. So the inclusion of the special report suggests that there may be urgent or critical issues that require legislative scrutiny or action.
Urgent. Your word say urgent.
But then, even though it says that, Parliament still have the upper hand as to when they actually table it.
Urgent.
But so the count out the Jamaican people are the most important.
The people really have no say unless the people go off to pressure the government to table
Exactly.
it.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Led by the opposition.
We have to go through Parliament first.
Opposition and civil society. The opposition, the party of Parliament. So them can force them to.
You will have to realize that the personnel that the people choose to represent them in Parliament is the government. The government is the people's representative in Parliament, and the opposition is part of the government.
The only thing the opposition can do is to try to put some form of pressure, but I really feel that.
Yeah, but look at it this way, no, man. And I can bet on say them have to release the report. Most and more, this is too important.
So Cash, want to Gaga read that part there. You Gaga.
If you read the Gaga and see when you got all on the Gaga, that part of go figure that at this one.
Hold on.
Because I know say after a certain time the Gaga are not relevant again after the investigation.
And that me know too.
Not because the question we are asking you is that the wording, you have to pay special attention to what the wording says.
The gag order is section 53.3. Section 53.3, what I'm telling us, because of that section, it prohibits the IC from speaking about it until Parliament table it. That's the gag order.
Okay.
Well, I stand correctly. So that means the ball is in the court of the opposition and the people of Jamaica along with civil society.
To pressure the government. If
so
it is that we are realizing that they are taking too long.
Yeah, my pussyfoot on it. Yes.
So comrade, realize the road that is heading down. When realize the narrow road that
Cosmotopy did for say something, make him say, and then you can come in. You be fear no man. Go no other people them a chance no man. Cosmotopy.
My comment is that Smiles, bless everyone, bless up. Somebody make a comment that Parliament is the highest court of the land. Parliament is not a court. Parliament is not a court. Don't make nobody tell you that. The highest court in the land is the Supreme Court of Jamaica. Right? If they do not, because the rule is that they have to table
highest appellate court. All laws are made by Parliament. All laws are made by Parliament.
They don't mean them a court.
Uncle, he's correct. When he said Parliament is not a court, he's correct. Parliament is the legislative body, but they're not a court.
Yeah, Parliament make law and the court interpret the law.
The court acts on the appellate section.
The court may be general.
So there's a far distinction.
Parliament is not a court. You can't try to case a parliament.
No, because Parliament is not an appellant section of the court, but Parliament is the highest court of the land. Because Parliament make the rules and Parliament change the rules and the law.
Mr. Blair, you have three government.
Parliament is the highest judicial body. They are the highest judicial body. But them are not the court.
Listen, man, we have the Parliament. Yeah, listen, you have the cabinet, and they have the Parliament to make legislate, and the judiciary. The judiciary is court island, man.
Yeah, the judiciary is one arm of government. The executive another arm of the executive, and the legislator is another arm of the government.
This is the Parliament.
But all laws are made by Parliament. All laws are made by Parliament.
Yes,
never forget that.
We're not a court.
There's not a court.
You can't use the term court when it comes to parliament because
it's not a court. It's not they're judicial, judicial and executive, but they're not
the
a court.
parliament is the highest decision-making body of the country.
Yeah.
Highest decision-making body, no one court.
Them are not court. Them judiciary, them make the law. Them won't name them, but they're not a court.
Mr. Blair said the parliament is the highest decision-making body of the country. They make all decisions. Them can
make all decisions and they make all the laws.
But they can't make law in the court. Listen to me. The Constitution. I'm tell you what. The Constitution.
They make the laws which. Hold on, man. Hold on. They make the law which the judiciary arm of the government have to carry out. But the laws are made by Parliament.
Mr. Blair, is the Constitution. The Constitution is what is the Constitution govern Jamaica. The Parliament cannot make any Parliament law where breach the Constitution. The court reject it. So the Parliament cannot be the decision-making by the island. The Constitution supersedes everything. The Constitution supersedes everything. Every law.
Just to clarify, so it's it. So, no, Parliament is not a court. Parliament is the legislative body responsible for making, amending, repealing laws, as well as holding government accountable through debates, questioning and oversight. It is made up of elected representatives. Its primary functions are to legislate and oversee the executive branch of the government, ensuring that the government acts in accordance with the law and public interest. On the other hand, courts are part of a judicial branch of government, tasked with interpreting and applying the law. Courts resolve legal disputes, determine the guilt or innocence of individuals in criminal cases, and handle civil matters such as contract disputes or constitutional issues. While both Parliament and courts play crucial roles in government, they serve different functions. Parliament creates laws, the court interprets and applies those laws within legal systems.
Thank you.
Yes. They can't arrest nobody.
Hey, decision making body.
Parliament can't arrest nobody. Parliament made the law and the judiciary carry out the law.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
That's the point I'm making.
No, but you said you did say the highest court island. The highest decision making body.
It's correct, Uncle, except to the fact that you use the term court.
Court.
That term is incorrect. Yeah.
We get off of that now, man. Everybody is supposed to understand that now. You don't see it. But what me just say, see come Tuesday, if them even table the report and don't table report, we don't see the road that we are go down, especially when we have to lead, when we have to deal with the labor right them. Them going to do everything possible in them power to hold up back their report, you know.
I would tell the people that
so switch back out there too. It going to cause a riot, you know. If the people willing to hear the report, it going to cause a riot in Jamaica, you know. Remember me tell you that, and they're going to do everything possible.
Yes, listen, Winston,
that's what I'm concerned about, you know.
Winston, you're
they're going to do everything possible.
Winston, we not give government much power.
No, but we have to look ahead.
Winston, listen to Winston, man.
We not talk about, but we know they can and they will do it based on the government and the type of what you call it, what them have, the morals what them have. Based on them morals, to know they will go there. So no matter make we go on like, you know, we know that.
Winston, you know,
so it depends on the people now. It depends on the people now. The people them know.
Winston, listen to Winston. Sometimes when I argue like say, I'm listening. Jamaica want ban on a republic. When I stop arguing,
we not talk no party shop or bread shop or bun shop, brother. That's what they talk about.
Allah govern the country, Winston. We're going by a constitution.
That is not the problem.
Winston, we're going by a constitution. The prime minister, the government can't do more.
But you know how much time? Hold on.
Listen,
how much time this government breach the constitution now if you carry them to court? How much time they do it before?
Exactly.
So what ask you, Richards?
How much time they breach it before we have to carry them to court?
Exactly. So
you, Richards,
you know them morals, brother. So don't make it go on like that. We don't know. We know them time.
You, Richards.
No matter
really, let me ask my question. Let me ask
you no bread shop or no drink shop. We know them time.
Yeah, all right. The time when the Auditor General, the two special report them, what he sent to Parliament, the administrative, our next one are sitting. Where Juliet Oles send back 3 months after where she sit on Panny with the information in the way we appear for unoccupied building and them where they name one table in a Parliament. Right? When she send back, when time it come when the PNP put pressure upon them, they send back it sitting. Right? And the Auditor General send it back and sitting. Why they need table that they want? And then be 2 letter there. And a letter with the sit down pan.
Me can answer now. You know I'm me answer. Them have their push the foot when pressure take them and then send it back. The Auditor General send it back. And down there, as immediately send it back, then table it.
Yeah, so who tell us we do the same thing?
Point me try to get that one now. Laws govern the country. We govern by a constitution. So they could have taken unless we allow them to. You want to say? We have a card and go court. We have a court for this certain thing. So the government now run like our party shop. We have a court and the constitution will hold our government accountable. So when stop going like the government can't just come do what they want to do as so. We have an opposition, we can't yeah, I said them might take too long for table report, we can't carry them to court for that. Plus the country can't ask them to do it. So we could stop acting like the government can't just do what they want to do willy-nilly. Then can't we don't know recuperation. We don't know we take a start. We have a court, it's a constitution, we have a constitutional democracy. We not talk like one dictatorship we are run where Andrew Willis can't do anything half I will free will. If only can't do it.
We understand what you're saying, brother. But
they say when stop guess about them go hold it in care of 1 3 months. Because hold it for 1 3 months a problem.
They want them hold it for more they want them hold it for 3 months. Like next on them no some don't want that.
As to a cash say well they can't hold it for 3 months or more, I'd feed them for table. So we have to wait, we can't do nothing unless we pressure them. And if we pressure them and then decide say because them alone can call a government, them alone can call an election. And them alone can call election. So if they want to hold it, you know, in the next election, then we can't stop them either. And we have to put pressure on them.
Yes, you, Richard, but that answer was just because you said it must be laid on the floor of Parliament Tuesday. And we are telling that it don't must.
Listen me.
Because the legislation did not say at the next sitting of Parliament.
Right.
Without the legislation, hold on, man. Without the legislation say at the next sitting of Parliament, them can delay it.
All right, look at this. Look at this. Look at the part. The interests were generated by private, public sectors and opposition everything. You believe say them are gonna have a chance finally late?
Your chance. You are going like say you don't know the Prime Minister what we are dealing with. You are going like say you don't know the Prime Minister. Them know say wrong, but they will attempt it and they will do it.
So make we argue for. Make we sit down and wait till the 3rd of September then the election.
Might be wrong, you know. Them know say wrong. No, but them know say wrong. But them are going to do it.
Yes, man, then do it. So make we stop
arguing.
Them
know say wrong, you know, Richard, but them are going to do it.
So make we stop arguing. So what we are wasting time arguing for
them? Them are going to do it.
What we arguing for? So what we are wasting time?
Them are going to try to the last possibility.
Why are you stressing yourself and we are stressing ourselves? Why are we stressing ourselves? If we know them all do it.
Cash. Me just want you just get a since you did the research, man. Get a short look on the world possible for me. I make me here. Cause maybe me left school so long, me don't remember what I mean. Just look at the world possible for me.
We don't come to the conclusion. We come to the conclusion, say them say as soon as possible, but a parliament decision.
No, but we just want the word, the action word, as I'm an English teacher that says possible. Just look on it and make me know. Cause maybe me forgot. Me I beg you. Because we know this man at all. He knows say wrong. But him a go do it. And make we not go on like we don't know say so then.
So, Winston, where you point? Where you argue about you know something going happen? You know say now go table. Where you argue for me to sit down and wait till internet what we
no,
are
my point is that no.
Yeah, my
point is that you are going like say them not do it. And then you're going like you don't know what you deal with.
Me know say Jamaica go by a constitution, so me know what is it. So you come to a conclusion, so stop arguing, stress yourself, Nadan. Don't stress yourself and stress me. You stress yourself and in turn stress me.
Me not stressing no brother because me know. Me admit all them a marathon already, so them not stress me. So anything possible with them.
Left it then now.
You understand?
All right. All right. All right. So
Something
left it
being
then. We move
possible
on
mean
then.
it can happen or be done, but it's not certain.
All right, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir. You take a bird now from me.
Thank you.
That's how me want them to understand.
My point when I go with no, because me not understand no point. Because when you don't say the premise is a dictator and I run Jamaica and he can do anything you want.
Cash, for clarity, just repeat the word possible for me. For clarity. Because I don't mean want to listen.
Right, no, listen. You don't miss out. No, Winston, listen. You see the problem? We pick out one word. It says ASAP, as soon as possible. Urgently, promptly, with utmost priority, in a timely manner, expeditiously. Right? Without further delay. That is what as soon as possible means. So please do not just put possible, because possible is listen, people, we need to learn.
Possible is the action word there. I got my teacher say.
No. It says as soon as possible. This is what the soon as possible means. Urgently, promptly, with utmost priority. In a time expeditiously.
But the possible does not mean that it must be laid on the floor of Parliament Tuesday coming.
Yeah, but you only take out one.
No, but what say again? In a timely. What say in a timely manner. Timely manner. You understand that part, right?
No,
in a timely manner. It could have been next month. Time that.
Hear what the dictionary say and stop go round and come round. Listen what the dictionary say. It's typical, used to indicate a sense of urgency in a highly informal context. Example, let me know ASAP. If you need me to do so, it means say them. It's the most urgent. At the most urgent. That is what as soon as possible means. So stop, just take out one bit of it. And that's why we not learn now. We just take out one part of something. And
thank you very much. Just like them does stress me, I just make change it so that I move to something else.
Me not stress you, brother, but when me I learn English, then pick out the word and say possible. Possible is the action word here. As what my English teacher would say. Possible is the action word.
Just take out possible. You can't just take out possible.
That is the action word here, possible.
Yes, but
all right. Figure about that. You Richards, all right. You Richards. Will you agree with me that we all come to know that about the type of leader that we have? Because him no business with constitution and we do anything to please self and party. Do you agree with that?
And what are the results of that?
What is the result? Him no business with the result. You don't realize him no business with the result.
Listen, Winston, you stress me out and you sound like honesty. Just stop the what is the result of his ignorance? Winston, what's the result of his ignorance?
He don't care a rat's ass. And that me I try to tell you. He will do it regardless of the result. That me I try to tell you. Regardless of the result, he will do it.
And I might just close by saying, I don't think Parliament will be convened on Tuesday, because I don't get it from an official source that the members of Parliament has been called for Parliament to be open this Tuesday, because the leader of the parliamentary business for the government will have to call the 63-member Parliament to come back to Parliament before the 17th. If 17 is the presumptive date that Parliament was supposed to reopen, because enough of the member of Parliament travel there on vacation and they could be all over the world. So it is not certain. Let me finish, man. It is not a certainty that if Parliament was presumed to be open on the 17th, them can just sit up and open it this Tuesday. The leader of government business in the House, in collaboration with the leader of opposition business, will have to make the effort to find where the members of parliament are in order to get them to come back to the House of Parliament for a sitting on Tuesday. That's the point I am making.
Mr. Blair, hear what? When Likamis was on, she said she come off the thing and go and call somebody. So almost somebody from Parliament. She called. Remember, Likamis have very close with our MP, so she would have know. She would have liquor, and she come back on, and that was the thing. She came back on and said, she called and she asked, and they said, Parliament is on.
But Mr. Smile, that's what Blair, Mr. Blair says something, Mr. Blair, like him, he's a party shop, Jamaica, it's a party shop. Mr. Blair, you'll take leave, listen to me, and where you're there, you get 1 month leave. You see, when the 1 month leave up, you have to represent the Parliament. You don't need no speaker, no host leader of the call away there. You get 1 month leave, and I work here, you get a month leave. The month leave start from the first week of August to the second Tuesday of September. So you must be presented yourself in the country, in the Parliament. We don't need nobody to call you and tell you. You get 1 month leave with pay. 1 month leave with pay. No indirect amount of leave. 1 month leave. Parliament take up. Mr. Blair, don't tempt hold on, Mr. Blair. Let me finish now. Mr. Blair, the Parliament
Mr.
Blair, the Parliament go on a 1 month recess. You can't tell the Parliament say me will take 6 week recess or 12-week recess. The government, the legislation, the constitution give the Parliament a 1 month recess. The school close, and you get 2 month break. The first Monday in September, school open. The 6th of August, with no constitution, Independence Day. If we fall for a Sunday, we'll put it on a Monday. That can't change. Parliament get 1 month recess. Only 1 month. Not 6 weeks, 7 weeks, not 10 weeks. 1 month.
You see what you are saying that you are coming to a conclusion based on the 1 month. What I am coming to the conclusion. Hold on, Smile. What I know the legislation, The point I am making is that the 17th is the date that everybody of the Parliament will reopen.
Look here. Me go research it. Look. It says
there is nothing at all for you to research there. It is out there that Parliament reconvene on the 17th for whatever reason. The number 17 is the date.
It can't, and the 12. It said this said it. Hold on, for because look, the 12th of September. See, it has show. All of the hold on, let me go back because one of the things the House of Commons recess date. Recess date and non-sitting period. So, and me don't want to get the name there from.
Hello, come off chat bed. Close back the door. What is the problem?
Close
back the door.
Winston, mute your phone.
Huh?
Winston, mute your phone. Yeah.
The 12th of September, so I don't know how comes. Where wanna get the 8th? Where wanna get the 17th from?
Me tell Mr. Blair, 1 month alone, Parliament get 1 month. Everybody will work in our world have one time. If you get 2 week leave, you can't take 3. Unless you tell them, say, listen to me, I'll take an extra week. And the whole 6 can't take an extra week. A 1 month leave we pay them for. 1 month alone we pay them for leave. Not 6 weeks, 7 weeks, not 10 weeks. 1 month leave.
But if that was the case, wouldn't the presumptive date for parliamentary open be the 10th?
Hold on,
the tissue start about last week, Mr. Blair. Where you get it from till last week when you speak, when it's something table. I am saying to you that the second week, everybody knows that the second week of September Parliament open. Every single soul, every last person follow Parliament know that. The first week of the first Monday, which is the first Tuesday, are gonna be school. The second Tuesday is the opening of Parliament. The week after school. That's how we know in our history from ever since. May I tell you that if the second, if for instance, September the first, suppose September start Tuesday. It obviously Parliament open 17 because the 2 week, the next Tuesday will be 17 or the 18th or such a be. The PNP conference at the third Sunday in every year. Get me? Sometimes I keep it 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, but at the third Sunday. The third Sunday. So the first Sunday.
I don't know why you don't make Cliff use and mess up on her head.
I mess up on the head, and I was the second week of Parliament. I tell you, say the second week, the first week of August, which is Independence Week, to the second Tuesday. None of date. Parliament won't for one date. Parliament won't for one day. Tuesday, the sitting of Parliament. Tuesday. The reopening of Parliament, when we are locked for the budget, at Tuesday. When Parliament dissolve an election run, at the first Saturday after the swearing, the first Tuesday after the swearing of the Prime Minister, them open Parliament. Me don't know them the law within the Constitution, and I don't know we can't change.
Well, I am going to tell you something now. Parliament now open until the 17th. Unless them call a special system for Tuesday I come.
Hey, but let me ask you this. What about if them send them notice and not come? Them not use a quorum or the quorum to call Parliament same way. Don't it have to be 14 members? You can't go below 14 members. Suppose 14 members turn up. Parliament can't be called.
No, if 14 members is there, then Parliament it can be kept because that is a quorum.
So what make we worry about the 7th or the 17th or the 27th then? Eh?
No, because Richard is saying that it is a must that Parliament have to convene and Tuesday come in. And nowhere.
But if it's in law,
neither in the print media. Hold on. Nowhere out there, neither in the electronic media and the print media that Parliament will convene on the 10th or the 11th. Parliament is slated to be convened on the 17th.
But it is in the Constitution. There's nothing can override the Constitution, you know, Mr. Blair. That is simple, you know.
We don't.
Nobody
Can't
override the Constitution.
We don't know the reason. We don't know the reason why the 17th is out there.
Because of
propaganda. Why the 17th is out there, no? Because remember. Earlier on,
me clarify that already. It's because of NNN. It's because of nationwide. That's why you're out there.
No, I'm not going to give nationwide that amount of power. I am not going to do that.
No, but
I am not going to give nationwide that amount of
necessarily power. Him say it, but it no mean it's not going to be him say it.
No, but it's not him alone who say it.
Maybe it's a notion why him say it.
No, I know him alone say it. I know nationwide alone say it. If nationwide say it, you don't think somebody else should have correct him.
You know, say people and the media and listen news more than how they even listen to the Prime Minister. So if the weatherman come and say rain going to fall tomorrow, more people in the world hear more than what the weatherman would have said 2 times out, you know. But if you print it on the media, everybody are going to run with it.
Winston.
You know that?
Winston, let me try to repeat again. It is in law that the Parliament gonna 1 month summer recess. Parliament go first week of August till the second Tuesday in September. Just check it and see if it's 1 month or 1 month and some dates.
That is my knowledge too. That's why I was wondering where the 17th come from. That is my knowledge.
If you put you out there, Emily She's I say, and hence that's why, listen me. There's no time at all. Anything come from the ICR, the Auditor General. 2 weeks or 3 before I sit in the Parliament. It always come like the Thursday and Parliament the Tuesday. Then I must table it, but the IC make sure I put it out before the Parliament open. The IC would not put out something where I got the 2 weeks before Parliament. The IC I work with the 1 month recess. After the 1 month recess, it open the time there. That's all me I say. If the government come together and say, listen, we'll take an extra week, they might do it, and them come together, but they don't do it with date of Parliament for open. And so everybody knows there's second Parliament, with second Tuesday.
That's why I mean,
you
that's why I can't see to defeat 2017 because I know say that to the way out, that to the 1 week out.
When the budget was read, right? They recall back Parliament to sort out the budget.
That is special. That was a special sitting.
Exactly.
That was a special.
Yeah, they call back Parliament because Parliament was not supposed to be sitting in that week. So the possibility is that them add back that week to the parliamentarian, which would have pushed it down to the 17th.
Mr. Blair, the budget debate finished when the budget debate officially finished. When the
Minister of Finance decided.
When the family closed the budget. The Minister of Finance closed the budget and the budget is supposed to start the other week. We'll get to 1 week and then the sector will start the other week. Some little mistake make. Mr. Blair, some mistake make, so the ad was to call back it. That none of it do with the recess. The recess I done it Tuesday. Everybody 1 month done Tuesday. This Tuesday 1 month done. What you tell me say, you talk something when in a law. This in a law, 1 month summer break, 1 month summer recess. Never 6 or 7 weeks. 1 month summer recess. The first week of August till the second Tuesday in September. That's a law that can't change and move. If they want alter it, they must go PNP back alter it and say, listen, we'll take an extra week and then come together. You get me? I say? But every single soul knows the parliament are open the second week, like I know the school are open the first week of the first Monday in September. That's how I say. So we could move on from that now. We'll go somewhere else. We're going to go somewhere else. We want to go somewhere else.
All right, so we can move on from the way name they know. What's on the agenda? Because to be quite honest, this report I gave everybody head here.
Yes, sir, we are moving on, but you ask why upon the agenda. We're going to come right back to Tuesday. We're going to ask why upon the agenda. So we could figure it.
Yeah, because we don't want to go back from the report fight.
Yeah, but nobody asks about what's on the agenda because everybody will come back to Tuesday when Parliament talk about the report.
Let me tell you what carry for the agenda. And the agenda is the Jamaica Labour Party and their surrogates, including Clifford and Emily Shields, want to politicize the Integrity Commission, saying that they are PNP, and when the report comes in 5 or 6 months time they come, take with a grain of salt because that's what PNP.
We don't want to have nothing but listen. One thing me have to say, did Cliff Hughes pay the 50 million? I could go for one next agenda.
Politics. What make you thinking involving the Labour Party so much is that we have payback, darling? You never record that yet? What make you think up in the Labour business so we are paying back? You don't know that?
Me do one tweet where they me tell him say me tag him and me say Cliff Hughes, make sure your taxes in order because you know the number.
Did he pay back the 50 million? When them say
me just text him and say at Cliff Hughes nationwide, I hope that your taxes in order because come the next general election, we will have a change of government. So make sure your taxes in order.
What make you think NNN involved so much in a Labour business? A fee we pay back a tax break them a game. So them make a commitment and come to understand and say, all right, you have to go do this, so you have to go campaign for you, then we're going to get rid of your tax. And that them a do.
Listen, NNN, them are the most government.
That's something Big Mama name the part. Hey, what that's something Big Mama name I'll call in one of the report there too.
We want to know what we want, you know? We want to know why JIS is the official information arm of the government. And NNN have too much government. And NNN have too much government.
Them push your JIS one side, one time every day, including Sunday on every radio here. Time brought to you by government broadcast. JIS. They find for 5 minutes every day. No, none of that, brother. Cliff Hughes and nationwide that present a parliament before the fire happened to Ratted. And then make you breaking news to Ratted. Them are the first and the only media reporting. Can you imagine? And they say one thing about it was one time in the parliament and they done. You understand?
Hold on,
answer one question.
We know what day before. Listen, let me tell you something. What day before? Do we involve him coming to Parliament? Don't Cliff Hughes tell us that do we involve? Cliff Hughes know every breaking news. So if the Prime Minister declare him not get the breaking news. Breaking news. Rumor had it that this IC report.
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
Officially. So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Let us see him that come with that. Him that come with the speculation. You know, saying him that say, well, I heard from a good credible source that the IC report.
You not go talk fast, but talk slow.
He want to talk to man say the IC
You
report.
Prime Minister in an interview long time.
We no man, you interview the Prime Minister man.
True.
No, you interview the Prime Minister. Yo, remember the one that say, remember the yeah. Him that say the IC word coming to me nationwide is that the IC report coming to table this Tuesday will accelerate the Prime Minister. So
then we have the Prime Minister online.
No clear. The Prime Minister is no big.
And we have the Prime Minister online.
No,
forget that.
No,
we have the Prime Minister online.
No, you know, you can't do it to the table. Remember saying, you can't do it to the report table. So you must tell you, you must speculate in here. Remember, every corruption in here, but you know, you're JLP corruption. Remember saying,
let me ask you serious though. You Richards, let me ask you serious. Do you think that if any PNP were involved in it, you think Labour wouldn't bust out a long time?
Long time.
Cliff Hughes, I hear that. Cliff Hughes, I hear. I don't know if I hear, but I'm not hearing. Cliff Hughes, I hear.
Thank you, sir. What that you worry about?
I know only be long time. Long time.
Remember saying one day Cliff Hughes got breaking news, That's why PJ sued him, Breaking news. Everybody in the whole country. Rumor had it that PJ Patterson was found. His luggage was searched at the Norman Man airport going to Cuba. And cocaine was found in his luggage. That's why PJ sued him.
What a man like.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That was it, man. And in here, every breaking news in here, but listen me, why they then go down a nationwide down and say somebody somebody speaking and then choke, like him I say, smile, I'm a grape you. And then can I come publish it how PNP supporters threaten to grape a reporter. That's when they come on, not go say no too. Somebody talking one too somebody. Yeah, and I like him and I say, Janet, but I grape you, you know Jamaican stay. Janet, you look good, but I grape you. So then go tell his spread rumor say PNP support at Party HQ. You remember that? Try remember. Remember that?
Yeah, remember.
Okay.
So
the nationwide, the fact the nation know.
All you make me wonder how him so privileged. How him so privileged with so much information and I never think about it yet.
You know, the letter, listen to me, the letter got to the speaker of the house. That means speaker, it adjust to the speaker, not the parliament, The one to Carol Curtis that go to parliament. You see the speaker, the deputy speaker, and the Senate president, them have the right now to read. So they must tell all who, everybody know who them is and what it's all about. All of them have to read. That's what they say on a secret and the public.
But no matter how the country going up, PNP have Labour right friend and Labour right have PNP friend,
No, but you're serious this, So I'm not a secret, The speaker of the house know the content of the letter. The deputy speaker know the content of the letter. And the what you call it? And the Senate president. Miss Kirk, a person in parliament, she wait till she go parliament Tuesday to get fair.
President of Senate.
No, the secretary. No, the secretary of the parliament. She wait till Tuesday to get fair. But you see them, it are just directly to them. She may get fair too.
No money and it delivered to them.
But tell me something. Hold on, tell me something. Don't tell me something. Regardless of parliament no have no member. Don't parliament remains open and the secretary have to be there?
No.
To carry out the country business same way? Ain't it? I don't say it go. Don't the secretary still remain on our job?
Somebody must there for them deliver it too, so.
Of course. Who will receive it? Who are security guard? Security guard receive it?
No, man. The administrators of parliament. The administrators of Parliament work Monday to Friday. So it is
That's
the
including
administrator. It
secretary.
is them no Senate go up on Miss Wellness yard, you know, now Senate don't man to go be go give Uri Clark, you know. A Parliament it go. Address to the Speaker, the Deputy Speaker, the Clerk of the House, and the President of the Senate. All it was signed for at Parliament. You know, go to the yard.
So,
Go to the yard and get
Mr.
it.
Blair, when he send to them, they help me same time or any time when them on table, they help me.
Then I said they ended up emergency meeting. Then I didn't say they ended up.
Me have a call. Me answer the call and come back here.
I will kick me out of the box a while ago.
Are you kick out yourself? Nobody.
No,
you jump out, man? Are you jump out, man?
No, man, I never jump out. Somebody kick me out, man. I must one labor.
Nobody kick you out. Because you come back in, so nobody no bring you back in, and you come back.
No, me accept request a while ago.
No, and I never touch the phone. So I
was talking and
Me a smile ask which part you gone.
I'm going to tell you what more I'm going to start attack. And then I'm going to blink and then I'm going to attack. So I say, wait, I want to go on.
No, man. It's just a call I got. So I just,
No, man. Me, Mr. Blair, a while ago, I was talking. And then when I look, I see me, I see you. I say, why this I go on? But I was at the point of saying that, every single labourer in Jamaica know the content of the thing. And the facts that them know the content, they might go out physically and try PNP nice. Notice from Friday, they might try PNP nice the something there.
Get it to 20,000.
You get to me, I say? So the point to me, I say, the facts that them undelivered to them. The Judith Wallace and Uri Clark must meet now a meeting and tell everybody, you see, and say, Warmington, you in the panic. And Juliet
remember Juliet Oldness have an office in Parliament, you know.
Yeah,
so but she not go to Parliament just because Parliament open. So she have an office in Parliament where the possibility is that she's there 5 days for the week also.
She the head of the Parliament.
People, just let me ask a question. I think they did have one emergency meeting at Belmont Road sometime.
Day before yesterday.
Yeah.
I remember saying,
that means they must read and know why them get it because me hear say emergency. The same day the report come out, I think, and the same day them have the emergency. So them know.
Because there is conflict of interest in the Parliament when you have the husband as the Prime Minister and the wife is the Speaker of the House. Because Parliament, Parliament no must have to be sitting for the Speaker of the House to be in her office, and whatsoever mail is addressed to her, it is for her prerogative to open it and to read it. So Parliament not have to open to see what is in it.
Well, did it say they were undelivered? Did it say it was undelivered to them?
Yes.
Undelivered to Parliament.
It's undelivered
to Parliament.
Exactly. So undelivered to the office. So somebody, this man, then the officer not closing up. So those office, the Speaker get it. She have access to it. Everybody have access to the letter. You know, wait a Parliament till Parliament open. They have access to it.
Not everybody. Not everybody. The persons who the letters are addressed to.
Mr.
Blair.
Mr. No? Parliament and break. That mean I don't think they're in Parliament physical, but maybe the secretaries are there.
And get it.
The Parliament and break, they would need the physically.
Listen, the minute them hears the report, them a run go feed. Them a run. Them are run go get.
Them know the content. All them know the content.
Them go get the report. Them go get the report.
It's something I say, Mr. Smile. When I go up on the program, I say, suppose Parliament exonerate the Prime Minister. You know what I say, man? They say they're business. I pay PNP in Parliament. That means, listen to me, I'll tell you now again. Them know they're in content. Every blogger in content. That's why them so
Pure
nervous.
PNP in
Them
the
a try blame.
ICU, not in the parliament.
You know, man. Let me tell you, man. The IC report, that everybody, every blogger, all of the labor blogger, they know the content type. That's why them a try PNP-nize the thing. That's why them a half how the Campbell know. Them a try do everything to sideline it. Them know all them know the
People, look up
content.
the screen to 20K, please.
The Prime Minister wife tell the wait, man, one of them, something important as that. We go to his speaker go to house, collect it, read it, and tell him members. Don't believe say members say no. They are family, you know. I want family, you know. Them are family.
One cult
So
family.
them are going farm them family. A JLP
Yeah,
family.
cult
If I did the
family.
PNP, it'll be the same thing. Would I know to them? The PNP would have call and them that tell Mark Golden and say Mark Golden. If we are government, our speaker that tell Mark Golden and would that know for deal with it. They must know. Them know.
But what may I say, let me see if any of them over there have any form of integrity or the whole of them as corrupt as each other. They could see if any of them in the Labour Party have any kind of integrity at all. Any one of them or the whole of them corrupt.
But
So
wait, when last look on my boy there, Montague. So Montague look at him and suffer. Like something bad. You remember Montague come here parliament come ball, you know. I heard that the IC want to lock me up. You remember? And that's why Prime Minister put in Bangagada. You remember? And in the parliament that's you know.
I stress in the stress. I stress in
Yeah,
the
you see that stress come on the belly. See, he had the other head and belly. He have one big belly, one big head. That alone he have.
Right.
And you saw Darrell Vaz hype, Darrell Vaz knows that him in it, so him knows that him position I got bigger. So Darrell Vaz I want to lead the party to you know that's ever go and hype so.
Nobody know what Darrell Vaz. No Darrell Vaz go
If Andrew is not any at all more compromise.
no way.
Yeah, Virgin, let me ask you on a serious note now. One of you say plane ticket by a boat line up. And all this before your reporter come out.
No, them brazen, so they not go hide. For them things say nobody never get.
That's why Nigel Clark
never get arrested in a
Nigel Clark.
Nigel Clark cut her in that bag of say no. Him literally cut her, you know.
Yes,
He might left the 31st and next month, so him literally line up her, you know.
Listen,
Me say tough time in the second phase of film interview figure some in the region in the health business. Me say in the film second phase. Me say another one do interview figure for already, you know. Christopher Tufton done the first phase of film interview already, and then on the second phase.
Hey, but guess what? Hey, on a serious note, you know say before the Integrity Commission probably tell the whole of them, you know, say the report, them probably get whoever in the report, you know, before them there, them probably tell them already, you know, say it's finished and what them are. So them know, you know.
But
So
remember,
that's why Nigel him back out.
Remember now, the moment the Integrity Commission started the investigation, all who are being investigated were notified.
Yeah, but
you
when
can't
it
let her you can't investigate somebody and they don't know.
No, that is said.
You can't investigate me, I don't know it, darling.
Finish.
Of course, them know.
Them know before.
They know who they get it, they know who they get interrogated, them know. Because there's no way police can want me or have interest in me, you know, tell me. He can't investigate me behind my back. He can't do that.
Look here, Nigel probably thinks
please. Yeah, look at the
But if you also realize the Integrity Commission gave all of them the opportunity to come in with additional documents to substantiate the money that you have, and they have not been able to, which means what I tell us it.
Jackie, what that
If I can produce documents to prove how I come by this money, then chances are the money was gained illicitly.
But that's why them up them salary
because they weren't able to provide.
Thinking that it was compensate.
One cheat from Central from South Manchester. He never respond to the IC none at all, you know. So IC put out film name and then run charity, remember? Remember when I listen? Yeah. The one named Chin. Man, chin from them are so.
I see you put out him, all him, him now the panic.
Christopher Tufton now gonna away. Christopher Tufton, sit down.
Then seriously, hold on there now, Jackie. You don't feel to say Pan American Health Organization that really make after given the fact where he mash up through health service, they would really take him on Pan Health Service.
Well, darling, rumors have it that in a second phase of interview. Say in done phase 1 already, and they do second phase of interview now. It is alleged.
Tufton, sit down there and wait for Andrew Fall for him grab the spoils.
If he name the pan the illicit, him now go stay, Mr. Blair.
Well, that's a good point, but I feel him want leadership, so him sit down and wait for the leadership drop in our lap. Because Nigel wanted to leave the party, but Nigel not have the support. The only support Nigel have with oldness in the party.
Remember said they will lock out Nigel when they did have that station meeting there and just
okay, all right. So that's why Nigel cut, because if he all stumble on him now go get leader.
Tufton can't lead the JLP unless Bob's the Grand dead, Charles Vaz dead, James Robert.
Hold on now.
Tufton
You Richards really are serious now. You just mentioned Granny Grange name for lead party. You serious?
No. I'm saying to you, and them people are really influenced that party.
Yeah,
so and them feel set Tufton a real PNP.
Look here, listen. Babsy can't. Me not think Babsy can't even say never mind. For
no man, but listen, me not say she feel lead, you know. But then we will influence that party.
I hear what you say. I'm not talking about her leading. I am saying at the moment, I think Babsy can't even open her mouth and say right, you know, because she fear condition probably not good, so she can't.
One shampoo.
No man.
Me not think
she come out the road, man. No, she attack, man. She walk and talk.
Criticize. I don't criticize.
Yeah, me see her, man.
Me not criticize people else, but she already that she's not in a good condition. Although me not criticize health.
Me hear that too. Me say flavor, but me not say she. Me not hear nothing about she. So me not know.
Flavor girl Williams not good mentally.
Hey, comrades, you the point to me I get. When I said Tufton, when me rule out Tufton, Bob's the Grinch, Darrell Vaz, James Roberts, Carl Samuda, even same Pernell Charles and Mike Henry them. And them I decide who will lead the party along with Warmington and Wheatley. Them not support Tufton.
We don't hear nothing from outside. We don't hear nobody. We don't hear outside this long time. Get outside. We don't hear nothing.
Yeah, man. When I listen to it, man, and Wheatley them, man. Listen me. The boy chat. Listen me. You only listen to me. We don't want to know your important part. This is the important part. Them say one time in history of the parliament, a deputy speaker get a letter coming from any one of them oversight committees. All right. This time now, when Dalrymple was implicated, Juliet get it. Now Juliet, I'm speaker, and the deputy speaker get it. Obviously, she been implicated. Yes, so somehow fear name mentioned.
Yes, it's clear that fear name in there.
But protocol say you have to send it to the speaker, same way. So them say, in case the speaker is not there, or the speaker don't want to table it, the deputy speaker have to do it.
After table it. Hey, but look here. Look here, you see how she did glad for because she did want him rimple out, that rimple out. Hey, me I tell you, so you see where them, you're the saying what them say. When you dig one pit, you better make sure it's that two you dig because you go fall right tonight. See, she a fall right and not even 1 year. 1 year since that
karma. What they call it? Karma. No, karma, then call it, darling. Karma.
Even 1 year.
Karma is real. Karma is real.
Gone right in at the trap. Right in at the trap. See? Wanna see how?
Karma is real.
Wanna see how things work out? Me say, not even
Karma, darling,
one
karma.
would I think Dalrymple, even if a 1 year, just 1 year, and see she a fall right in it the same way. Hey, guess who I gonna laugh? Guess who I gonna laugh? Who no think I gonna laugh? Who no think I gonna laugh, you know? Who no think I gonna laugh, you know? Say
This same woman from Chilani. This same woman from Chilani.
No, guess who I gonna laugh? Have the last
Who that?
laugh. Who is going to have the last laugh? Who are gonna have the last laugh? Anybody can guess who going to have the last laugh?
Me can't recall like Siaga. Me can't pick up that one there. Me can't recall.
Alright. You remember the clock of the house? Come on, man. How she did do her?
No, man, them buy out time, man. She labor, them buy out.
Okay.
Them buy her out.
Look here, it no matter how she did do her and ruin the woman reputation. You know, see, fear wanna come down, you know. And all of fear wanna go worse. You know, see? That's why you must went and you dig pit. Make sure say you dig too, because the likelihood you go fall in it.
Then give her out of distinction, you know, where she'll get
You could have a dig tree too because you're gonna carry on generation with you.
Thank you. Them give her yeah, but even so, listen, when people stay in your name, you know, even if them give you one position, it's still no way name there. The amount because remember saying she said, oh, the woman are bring a reproach pan the parliament seat, you know. She had bring not a report, not only a reproach pan the parliament, she had bring a disgrace pan the entire.
On a report, she bring a cockroach. She bring report, she bring cockroach.
She said she tell the secretary, Miss Curtin, to send my letter. She never send it back.
Let's say.
You see, I see me. Come put it out, you know, publicly now. So listen, me. Them yes, indicative. Go look for me in indicative report. I know special report. This, you know.
Why? Not terribly, man. You can't even get the screen to 20K. Not even 20K, and I can't get this.
And I 39 people depending. If everybody top, yeah.
If everybody top, come on, man. I cannot stay so. Why? Bad for bad, the labor right then I for big for them people tap up their screen. What am I gonna answer?
Labor them full of money gun. Them give money gun. They say why them callers are give money gun.
Money gun then though. But me don't even know because me don't know.
Money gun.
The public person. Them have the public person. What you expect?
Hey, when I
them have the public person. So what you expect?
When I tell me what it.
Go ahead, Hugh.
When I tell me what they are going to debate, you know. When I tell me what they are going to debate, you know, I say about money gun and fling pan for them one them. Bombi, money gun, that kill me over there. That kill me, money gun. No, Caroline, that me ask you some more. Somebody look for me in indicative. That me ask somebody, me smile, look for me in indicative for me now. My head now function right now.
Me say you sometimes you have to put the word money gun to me, you know. Maybe them tell us that them have the money and them have the gun, you know. So you have to be careful, you know.
Some money gun for me. Man, in bowl man ever debate me. So I tell man I have 700 money guns. Man, what if you ever see?
Yeah, man, that's what I'm telling.
And
I'm sure you say.
Why tell
them I show you say them have the money and the gun, brother. That them I show you.
People.
Yeah, what you say indicative mean?
It means serving as a sign or indication of something. Having recurrent dreams is not necessarily indicative of any psychological problem. So it says, so basically it says serving as a sign of indication of sign as a sign or indication.
Simple put means that means that means okay. So need to put it finish. So I don't know. Then say it's an indicative report.
Signifying or pointing out, expressive or suggestive, usually followed by of behavior indicative of mental disorder. Grammar noting.
Add cash. Smile, cash.
It is
Smile.
you.
Smile. Oh, cash
It is not an indicative report. It's an indicative ruling.
Or indicative ruling. Someone or indicative.
In the legal term or the official terms, an indicative ruling suggests a possible outcome, but may not be final.
Okay. So this report may not be.
That mean to say
The DPP
it
must be the
may
final
not
one.
be final, meaning say it could go to the DPP. Yes, and it could be final there, sir.
So the DPP to do the final. Oh, okay. So them send it to the DPP to make the final report. The final ruling.
Exactly.
So wait there. Hold on. Let me ask a question. Let me answer a question. Who is the DPP, you know? And where Paula Lewin gone? Where she there?
Paula Lewin still is it? Paula Lewin still is substantial DPP until the court rule.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, there is a acting Paula Lewin is a DPP, but there's an acting DPP. Paula Lewin case. Paula Lewin, hold on. Paula Lewin case will come up sometime. The verdict in her case will come up sometime this month.
So
whether to uphold the decision of the Supreme Court or to give her back her job.
So then she not still but that's the problem now because she not gone nowhere.
No man, she's
the DPP, you know, because the ruling of the court was appeal. So she remained the DPP until the appeal has been had and the verdict passed down. So them waiting on the verdict sometime in this September
in short,
to this.
She's still like a pay. She's still like a pay for your work.
Yeah, because she's a DPP. Yeah.
Yes.
To decide whether or not.
I'm saying, she still have influence over the prosecution. That's the problem.
No,
she didn't leave.
That is speculation. That is speculation.
No man, she
because by law. No, well, I know you. Let me make the point. There is an acting DPP. And as Smile just said a while ago, she can have influence over the prosecution, but that is not legal. The person holding the office, no. We don't know if the both of them talk and she might show her pointers or up whatsoever, but by law, she don't have nothing to do with the case. She don't have nothing to do with the DPP right now.
Well,
except for interfere in our concern her.
Because why is it that the fact that the report come out and then me not see nobody around?
She doesn't get her pay. She in her office. You like she depend on introduction. Where they call now leave with pay. She depend leave.
So Mr. Blair.
Yes.
You really feel that?
I feel the Supreme. I feel the
phone line tapping on phone bug. Me that tap the DPP line as him is directly involved via phone in the office, but him still involved in a day-to-day role in the office.
No, sir. No.
In order, hold on. In order to tap anybody's phone.
How much o'clock morning time? When I remember.
See, so just not physically in the office.
How much o'clock morning time?
She might not be physically in the office.
And Stephen used to say she used to go to the back door and go to the office.
Yes.
But I can't substantiate that, so I won't speak on it. But by law, she's supposed to stay her yard here, not the DPP. You have to wait until the ruling of the court.
So what you think them have phone for? You think she not use her phone?
Hey, Mr. Blair, remember I she did go there and the secret never let her in, you remember?
What she did go there?
But she turned up her phone.
I heard that, but I couldn't prove that. I can't prove that, so I won't say it.
But she turned up at a quoting center and she turned up at a quoting center and the judge asked who she be. She's not recognized and she have to leave the court.
Yeah, that is true.
You understand?
Yeah, because that was before the appeal was placed.
We know. Back to the indication of the report. Remember, as Caroline said, it is indicating that of corruption and recommended prosecution. So that means that the DPP have got to decide if they will carry through the prosecution. So the DPP still can't throw it out, you know. That's what I mean. Want to keep this DPP, you know, because although the Integrity Commission and
but you think
Winston man. Although they recommend for them to get prosecuted, the DPP still have the authority to throw the case.
Yes, that's what me I talk about, you know. And that me that talk about I say, you know, even say that's why nobody now book no ticket. And that's why Mr. roll him so easy. Because them feel to say them have whoever in them corner. Right? So me don't know. People. Me don't know. Me don't know if me have confidence in the justice system of Jamaica. Me not tell no lie. Me not have no. Me sorry, say the Integrity Commission couldn't do the prosecution themselves.
Look here, man. Listen, man. You see, in our place at Jamaica, if them ever recommend them to be prosecuted, and the DPP make a mistake, remember, I've been telling you, you see, in public, it's when they're guilty in the court of public opinion. Current Spencer dead.
People with 18.7K. On can't about budget.
Listen, man. Current Spencer.
Hey, listen, man.
Hey, Current Spencer was freed by the court. But public opinion have him say in my teeth. May I tell you that?
Then the same thing with cartel, I know. Same thing with Vibes Cartel too, you know. Same thing with Vibes Cartel. They still have him as a so-called or alleged murderer, you know.
Yeah, they still have
They still have cartel as an alleged murderer, you know, yeah. But let me ask you something now. You think, you know, this a modern age and time now, the DPP go and get the case in her hands, say, all right, she must make a decision. You think she go and find them guilty knowing that when she go when she reach her gate, she go see Screwface and she go see Rat Belly and she go see John Thomas and DPP. You better let go the boss, you know.
No, and that's she will decide. Winston.
Yeah, but you want me to say?
She'll decide if the court merit for she carry it too, and she can get a verdict. If she decides to stay that verdict, she not carry it.
When he go over to the DPP, you know, she start get the call him, now she start get the Screwface and say, hey DPP, you better know what you're doing. And my boss that thing, you better free me now. And all of them, we know what you make. What you think I go happen?
She's gonna get tricked.
What you think I go happen?
She not gonna do.
We know the Jamaica where we are living in, Bridget. When I go see Screwface, the son, I go see Blinky over here, so. And I go see Roundhead over this one and say, hey, yeah, what them I go say, no, hey, DPP, girl, you better let go the boss, you know, because you know, deal with, you know what time it is, you know.
You be no panic about cartel or then a Lego cartel.
You know influence of cartel, so make we not go there.
That's what I'm saying. You know, believe some people call and feel the thing or they never let thing go.
Yeah, but see,
yes, you know that.
I don't know if this one a tough like the next one.
But that was plain injustice. That was meted out to cartel, you know. How we know that? So make we not bother put that in this, you know. We just say.
No,
you understand?
Me debunk your argument. Just somebody you call him say no. Eight person, eight of them. Eight of them are.
But you judge. We know.
We know. Eight of them. That no go so.
But you remember, say,
everybody.
Hold on, Winston, hold on. Remember, say my man that did come out and says, as of whenever I am no longer a member of the Jamaica Labour Party, I am an independent. And by the time the meeting call, you hear him there. I have sorted it out. So listen.
After I get some bad wood and some gunshot.
My man,
In a case, I see when name, man, I know your talk. I know exactly your talk. You labor right councillor.
The deputy mayor.
I know, I didn't give back.
Ennis him name, man. Ennis.
Yes,
Ennis.
Mr. Ennis says, I am
All
no
right,
longer
Winston Ennis. And you have my name, I'm not telling them.
and I am going away. I am flying out tomorrow and I won't come back until the 1st of whatever. And by the time, I know him don't even to set foot on the plane yet and he change his mind. Master?
Yeah, because man, he must have fool away on. You want mash up
As why you say not, as why you say them page him, then give him a page and give him the whole book. You understand?
They circle him.
The current leaders speak later on. We will know whether or not Parliament are going to open Tuesday, yes or no. I must make some peace there.
We pass that turn, Mr. Blair, man. We not get back there.
We're not go back there, so. But me say them circle. Anyhow, the woman ever go decide say she not wait name there. She go bring what? Hell and powders. Look here. Them somebody. Hold on. Let me finish now. There was a member say somebody liar when go to bed.
20,000 reach. See, reach at 20,000 now.
Somebody liar when go to bed with 2 other somebody. And then one come back out. One never wake up. One never come back. See. You know, see the whoever did in the still out.
No, and a DP in the out in the bed rest and the
man still asleep, man. The man still asleep. The man was sleeping and he's still sleeping.
The doctor put him on bed rest.
Because the house rest. The pan bed rest still. So he's still asleep.
No, but just for dead, I just have to put him on house on bed rest, you know. And just for dead. So he might come off and the doctor not take him off.
Dr. Ford, but Jephthah did prepare.
No, imagine.
Jephthah put him
Imagine, smile. Imagine. I have my gate lock. I'm 4 bloodthirsty. What you call them? Doberman or whatever dog they name. In a yard, no sign of breaking in. And you go tell me say somebody dead in my house. And Fitzbailey can't determine. And the man say, come on now, you're not going to a stage and make him tired in the pan bed rest. And the report is that the man was sound asleep.
Leave work now, you know. The man Niger Clark left side.
Yeah, man left work.
The man Niger Clark left side.
You know, say me and him brother brethren, you know. Me and Fitzbailey brother brethren, you know. Thunder.
Fitzbailey are going to Niger Clark security detail.
So you go for him?
Yeah, I work in Niger Clark and I security detail. Told him I left one time.
Lie. And what you said to me?
I'm here, someone.
So the criminal will protect the criminal then.
Hey.
The criminal will protect the criminal.
Wait, no what? The labor them are listening. I said about you hear them on them program. Like when we say, me tell us you Richard a liar. You hear you Richard say? You Richard say Bailey are gonna be Niger Clark security.
Hey, somebody come on my shop the other day and somebody say their ears say, bear in mind, you know, this are over here, you know. Then say their ears say Nigel and my man they were at the head of AMF in a business. Hey, how them hear that thing there? Oh, and I remember say England that there's somebody there, you know. So how them hear them that thing there?
Hey, Mr. Blair.
But remember, so a man did come not public, you know.
Winston,
a man did come public and saying that party with the whole of them, you know.
Smile.
You understand?
Smile, the labor them for one program call this morning. Yeah, what you silly, you know. Me say, and cut them and say, let me tell you something. I hear the one named Dre. We're doing something on this program. This is a paid and us by the Jamaica Labour Party. We need to take him to court. But smile, remember said it. He didn't big part of me there now. Dre to court. Because Dre has a paid announcement by the Jamaica Labour Party. And no go so. And no paid announcement. Why the JLP can't take that boy to court? Why them can't get him off of the media?
That paid announcement.
Yeah, because one thing Dre said, this is a paid announcement by the Jamaica Labour Party. I start out with a corruption. So they say he must spread the rumor there, and people are buying say the JLP pay feet. Them hey, serious with this man, you know? Hey, the party need to take him to court and sue him. They need to get him off of TikTok. They need to take him off of the here, my spread with propaganda. We said. They're afraid I'm like a poster artist. What?
Member say, hold on, member say, smile. This is not hiding. Somebody did interview Nigel Clark, you know, and he said, make me tell you, it means I open gate, so I know.
I found last year, me have to take them, man. Sir,
yes,
sir,
I don't know allegation, man. Who I know you all know.
They man say Mr. Clark. Me tell you who me Nigel Clark. Nigel Clark, me tell you who.
Yeah, man.
Me name AB. I work gay. And let me tell you something. I was at Cliffview Gay Park. You forget?
You say, are you a doctor?
Yeah, man. Yeah. You out of order, but you want man. You know, remember that I was at Nigel Clark. Hey, then on the same tape. On the same tape, he said him and Cliff use the same thing. He said him like him small and tight and Cliff using long and big.
Oh, you're too bad out with him. You're too bad out with him.
Yeah, we is so. I know we is so.
Me never
Smile, go on my page.
Exactly what I said.
Smile, go on my page, smile.
You're on the tape.
You're on my
page.
You're on my page, you see it. Yeah, him say Peter King. He's a Peter King.
I know, listen, me now make them people that corrupt me. Move on.
Listen to me,
man. Don't listen to that tape there. You're in a church. Come on, listen to that tape. Leave it right.
The man say Peter King greeted naked.
Yes, all right. The man said when Peter King comes with them big bossy, he said sometime when Peter King with the little boy down there, him feel a way of Peter Clay the little boy them round.
Listen, we should not be entertained. Listen, let's stop it there, sir. Because the minute you not gonna mention little boy now that grieve my spirit. No.
But that's what was said.
Leave it there. Leave it there.
If you are molest, if you come out, come talk about little boy, you not go to prison. Right?
So Vegas, then you know Vegas and Peter King wife.
Listen, listen, make him go on, so that's why him can't chat so much nonsense. Him never have no relevance until when he start to make some kind of...
I know, say Terry Longtongue come from the same camp though. Terry Longtongue come from the same camp, you know.
Terry Longtongue I sit there in a Patrick Bailey girl.
I don't want to hear none of them rubbish there on my page. You hear me? I am a woman of God.
Yeah, man, yeah, let's now. Enough of that. Yeah.
Let's say anytime the demons them do them thing, please. Me no want it. Me no want it.
Let us move right along. Until it's the
JLP next. All right, next. All right. Wanna think about Cornwall Regional Hospital now?
I know you're talking sense. Me say I want
wanna think about that.
It stopped.
No, you want that. We never see a picture of Cornwall Regional Hospital now.
Them still at the work.
I know me no see a picture of it.
Them still at the work.
We see how far them reach.
No man, at the children that's what I'm the most work on. The children hospital. At the children that's what I'm the most work on.
Brethren, member said Cornwall Regional Hospital was not a building from scratch, you know, refurbish, you know. And can you imagine one building take 8 years and counting for refurbish? That is a long in business in the world.
Hey, me not tell you me that what you want something, but I want African thing. Where the man did they do? Them have this on Facebook where you have the man have a suitcase. He said this is our government contract. It's it's an African thing. And the man go in with a big old suitcase full of money for the contract. And he say
Me see it,
everybody, you come in the prime minister come. This is somebody a come. This is somebody a come. This is somebody a come and take. So by the time the contractor he reached to the contractor at $2 more.
$2 left in there. Him have to go paint to all the piece of road. Have to the sign.
You see it, Winston?
Yeah, man, me see it, man. Me see it. You know, say big and serious. You know, say if you look on Smile. If you look on Facebook, me repost, you know, and tell them to show this to the Prime Minister. Me repost and all right, so me show it to the Prime Minister.
Me say no man, this look like a labor right.
Me repost it, man. Me repost and tell them to show it, and say me show it to the Prime Minister.
Every one of them come and take. Everybody come take. Everybody come take.
They don't run, brother.
Come take. By the time the poor man, the contractor ready, only $2 left for him. One. Young laugh at this.
When the suitcase on $2 left in the contractor, $2 left in there. You just take it, put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket and PNP sitting across on the road.
I'm saying, no man, that they look like a labor. No, sir. Aside of one that.
Yeah, actually, man.
That's it.
Me repost it, darling. Me let us say it. Me repost it, man. Me repost it.
I say, no, man. Thank you.
Man, I tell him to show it to
that look like a labor.
8 years.
That look like a labor.
8 years to finish one building, man. 8 years and counting.
Hey, a Cornwall Regional Hospital that then enough for the time.
Big and serious, man.
And Davian, thank you. Me say, me can't believe it. When you look on the man go in with one big leather suitcase and a little suitcase neither. I want big old suitcase, big
them darling.
Money.
Them a live off a Cornwall regional, so me call it Cornwall living off hospital and a regional hospital. I live them a live off of that. Can you imagine 2 terms to repair one building and it can't done? 2 years in the largest repair in the world. Meaning saying in the English speaking Caribbean in the world. In the world.
When that
can you believe, man?
Listen, when there's something the refurbishment finish, I suppose to all gold dust depend.
That me I go say go and be the new Dubai.
That's supposed to be gold when them.
Dubai, I want to be one 5-star, a 5-star. It going to be one 5-star hospital. I we want Dubai.
Supposed to gold.
It going to be the Dubai and the Caribbean.
Then done. Me say, I'll be a gold.
It going to be the Dubai and the Caribbean, darling.
Hey, listen, when time that the hospital they done, trust me, your uncle have to go in there and a robot to work on you. And them there's something they are going.
And I think that you want to check in and you get better. That's all, you want to check in and you get better. Because the environmental loan supposed to get you better to rot when you're going after so long. That's the environmental loan.
Listen, a robot a go up on you, so guess what happen? The whole you then make no mistake. They know exactly why you as soon as you come in, they say this one has this, and in no time. By the time you come in, you go back out quick and fast. But people, trust me, it is a fact. But speaking of Cornwall Regional, let us go to the aim. Let us think about the gentleman who came to bury his brother, and then
Lord, me never want to talk about that.
And was going back on Wednesday, and in the hospital, in the airport, the man fall down. The man fall down and hit him head. And can you believe it, people? They make the man bleed out to death. And look how
the man have to have $400, brother. $400 before he can get ambulance.
Look how close Cornwall Regional Hospital there. Look how
one functional ambulance that was not available. Can you imagine? And that you know,
you know that in the international press now. That in the international press now.
One ambulance.
Then
What that they say now? They have one
them
ambulance
have
that was not available.
seven ambulance on the side. I saw him say them have access to 7 ambulance. Eh?
But what kind of ambulance? Private ambulance.
7
We have to pay
ambulances
400.
that them have access to. No, but tell me now. People can't with it. So somebody couldn't have just all the nurse will go there. She never said the man a lose so much blood that you couldn't just listen from the man drop. All them have to do is make sure say if him a breathe and whatever you know say the ambulance now come. Grab sitting, wrap up him head and rush him off to Cornwall Regional Hospital. You're not supposed to wait and ask the man if he have $400 to go. No man, I saw serious. Hey, me I tell you the thing, you know. I saw enough people in Jamaica get meet in an accident and dead same way, you know. Because them sit down there and bleed to death, you know. And then they're sitting there.
Well, that is what they
that is a shame though. That is a shame though. That's shame on the country.
I cannot understand. You're working in Jamaica, yet you demand in US dollar for, you know?
Big investigation.
$400 US, man.
That's a breach of aviation
Over $60,000 for just going on private ambulance.
Emergency vehicle, including ambulance. Of course.
Is that Jamaica? Is that tourist or Jamaica?
He's a Jamaican. He's an American. He's an American citizen. He's an American. A big investigation. That big investigation.
He is a Jamaican, but he lives in America.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but he's an American citizen.
Yeah, he is.
He's an American citizen, living in Florida.
Big investigation. And that, listen, you see how it reinforces what the Americans put on their alert. You see? You remember the alert where them put out about Jamaica and them health service and see where them go do. You see all Jamaica, you see all this government can learn, them play right in it. Remember
because the government has always been lying to the Jamaican people. And it is been proven now that the government is lying.
Stubborn.
International
but comment Blair,
international airport like that.
Where JP Blogger them say about it?
No, they don't mention it. I don't hear one word from what they're out.
Thank you.
One of them has 7 ambulance available. One of them has 7 ambulance available.
7 ambulance them say there's available. But listen, me say about big investigation. America is going to investigate it. America is going to investigate it and say why is it that the 7 ambulances you 7
because when the ambulance eventually come, you know, the man dead, and then move the man from which part him did when initially fall down, and put him our corner because the work have to continue.
The business
so
must
when
go
the
on.
ambulance come, all the ambulance have to do a left so that Delapina could have come pick up the body.
Imagine.
But no, what me I say? Smile. Just imagine what me I say. The ambulance come here.
Yes.
They not give the people in a company the ambulance no time to check him man. Suppose the man was in a coma. Suppose he lose enough blood that he in a coma. Nobody stop to check that they just pronounce him dead and move him out of the way. Business must go on.
When the ambulance come, then put him in our car and cover him up already.
Listen, that is craziness because an ambulance can't pronounce nobody.
No, but they're supposed to check.
It has to be a doctor that pronounces unalive. So who pronounces unalive?
The paramedics work with the ambulance, darling. The paramedics should supposed to come and check him. They should supposed to move him.
When the ambulance came, they had already covered him. Then you know, the man said them covered it.
Yes, we know, but they didn't follow procedures or protocol. What they should have done is call and have the air and leave him till somebody professional came there.
No, but they shouldn't even cover him up because at the end of the day, what they should be doing is taking him to the hospital and then make the doctor pronounce him. So everything them do they're so wrong. Hey, America is a litigation. America is a litigation country, you know. So them not have no leg to stand pan. This might even broke.
Now, would I government and airport authority?
No, man, that stands at airport. When them
Darling, can you imagine? Can you imagine that happening at Miami International Airport? Every ambulance service want to be the hero because 20, 30 of them are turn up one time. Because everybody want to be the hero.
It's ridiculous. How you can, and you're not doctor. Which doctor pronounce the man? Yeah, it has to be a doctor that pronounce the man. You can't, a nurse can't pronounce him. So who cover him up? Was there a doctor that came straight away and pronounced him? So all of them, a big litigation.
That's why I mean, they ask support the man. Support the man was literally dead and the man was in a coma. Then finish kill off the man, you know, because you go fling over so.
Big lawsuit that because nobody not supposed to pronounce nobody. And the doctor pronounce you. No nurse can't, even if you have an idea, or even the ambulance man have an idea, unless he's a doctor, they cannot, and then can't just cover you up like that. They have to take you to the doctor and make the doctor pronounce you. So who pronounce the man? Which doctor pronounce him?
That is the problem.
Which doctor pronounce him?
Nobody knows.
Hey, me said that just reinforce exactly what the Americans when they put out them travel alert to say that don't go to Jamaica because of the health system. See, at the very same thing, me say everything this government do and it a fall right. Everything a fall right. In the everything is falling under.
Anyway, Smile, me have to go running now. Me have to have something to catch up with. Me have to go move. So when I come back live again, me just come me follow you so me get the notification. All right, cool.
All right. Listen, people, I don't know how them all get out of this.
All right, Winston, take care.
Yes,
I don't know how them all get out. Him dead under the sheet. Yeah, but who pronounce him? Because you can't cover him unless a doctor pronounce him. No nurse, nobody. The person who pronounce somebody has got to be a doctor. So how comes him? Who pronounce him? And that me not understand. So by the time the ambulance come.
When the ambulance come, that time because him.
How you gonna do CPR for a man? You know, how you gonna do CPR for a man when in head? You're not supposed to. I can't understand. That don't make no sense to me. Because if him head back lick out, and I just say it out, you're supposed to try stem the blood. You're not supposed to make him man bleed to death.
I want him really.
How that makes sense? No, sir.
Faint.
Me not
Him
understand.
faint when him got the counter, and he have one knapsack, and him a search him knapsack to take out him passport when he reach up to the teller of the counter.
Yeah.
The representative, the JetBlue representative of the counter, and him faint, he just drop back here. And when him drop the drop, when him drop
Yes,
with the force, when him drop with him busting his head back.
And nobody not taking
And the nurse never reached there until around 7 minutes. Them said the nurse reached there. And the man did it for around 20 minutes before the ambulance come.
They say 40 minutes the ambulance never come. The woman said 30 minutes the ambulance never come.
Not the hospital, the airport you mean?
I mean the airport.
Them contract the ambulance service out to one place they call hospital.
No, so then on a medical post, at the hospital?
No, it contract out.
Listen, from the man lick him head, you're supposed to stem it so that him not bleed out. From him head back lick. You're supposed to stop the blood, make sure say it stops.
That is school.
Listen, if the ambulance now come in time, somebody just get him and carry him, go straight to Cornwall Regional. Straight to Cornwall Regional. Stop the blood.
Me see him.
That is strength come at school, man, you there.
Jesus.
Hey.
Wait, listen, listen, honestly, man, as some wickedness go on there, so me no know people can actually seriously defend what happened.
Yeah, that is straight. That's cool. So that is straight warm.
Because the government a boast and strength, always a boast. But this is the best government since sliced bread. And look what happening at the airport.
Strength, if you're in the back, set strength, come in the back.
I'm falling at them own trap.
Strength, send a request to come and talk about this.
Me no want no contention in my back.
No, man, him no contentious, man. What is continue? No, him no contentious, man. Him
Me no want no contention.
Him no contentious, man. Man want a contentious one. Man want a contentious one. You might want to work on information. Can you have information?
You saying can't learn
no,
again.
Me no business. Me no care what information.
You saying can't learn.
Me no have no. Me no in the contentious. Me can't take the contentious business. Me no in the.
That is what can't learn again, Mr. Blair.
I am so.
Me no in the contentious.
Maybe GCP and back to man.
Me want to ask him what happened to the ambulance at the airport, why the man died on the floor.
Yeah.
Without getting proper medical attention. It could have happened to me, you know. It could have happened to me.
Anybody.
Him too.
Could have happened to anybody.
Anybody.
So I want to ask Strength, what is the reason why the world-class Minister of Health didn't provide an ambulance for the airport?
Look how close Cornell Regional Hospital there, and one man drop and licky made, and them never think say forget somebody. Look how close the hospital there. The hospital now they no distance from the hospital, from the airport, you know. No distance.
And the man dead on the hospital, on the airport floor.
Dead.
Yeah, there's something I go, but me follow it up, I'm not follow it up, honestly.
Peace and peace. No, sir. Me say I work. This is listen. This. You see if I did. You see they did over here. The health minister have to resign. The transportation minister have to hand in resignation. Anyhow, I did this a country.
But I can't see the point. Say so something like that at a major airport.
Never ever. He would have to resign. Long time.
One of the most popular, one of the most important airport now, one of the busy airport now in the Caribbean. You want to tell me, say, we now have a
medical center, a decent medical center.
But Miss Smile, one little nurse ready there when she go run go figure help the man, and I man bag, them have to go take out one tissue. To help wipe up.
What tissue can do for stem blood?
She come with her long two naked hand.
Pull up
no medical equipment.
Somebody and say to them, say, give me a shirt or something, make me stop the blood. You're supposed to put on pressure on to stop the stem of the blood. Make the man bleed to death on the floor, man. Jesus, peace, that I worse. The worst.
That is strength. Wait. That is strength. I really that is saying. What is to be must be thing
listen, strength. That's
really,
why.
That is strength.
You see, that's why I may not have people like because you see, this is the thing.
Really, that is strength.
Must be. You hear the kind of. You see the level. Oh, them not even respect people life. Well, wait until the American system take up it because America is a litigative system and them now gonna make this race. Not gonna
really
make this race.
That is strength.
So when them sue,
can't believe. And that is strength right there. Somebody is right.
When them sue,
Smile. This is not one debate. Put him in the box, but he can explain. Nobody knows nothing, but he can explain.
Listen, I don't want no. Today is Sunday, and me want hold my peace. Me no want a contention.
No, but if not, because when must explain to it, because maybe them have information.
Listen. Me overreading and hear them all strength to tell whatever. Me not in them foolishness. You hear me? Me not me a piece with the man. I mean, I want no content.
Because we
I
don't
don't
really
want
like
no
PS strength
content.
explain out the way.
Me
Honestly,
not
because I
no
can't
time
understand
can
it.
go over
The
film.
hospital,
Over film
the
people them.
hospital don't have an emergency, nothing about emergency in a Jamaica. I think,
If you
like,
him already say what is to be will be because of them the kind of behavior that them have towards people.
that
But
means I
make,
mean, can I,
listen,
me not work
that's
at Jamaica then.
American. The man is not listen. Them can do them something there with Jamaica and get away with it, but America now go receipt. Now go receipt,
If I did one
especially
white,
the
hey, if I
man
did
have
one white
kids in
tourist, if I did one
America.
white tourist,
Sorry.
if I did one white tourist, I want to do it with them. That fine. If I did one white
Oh,
tourist, I come
no,
to my hotel,
me
them
know,
die
me
thing.
know, listen, strength. Me know, me hear about you now. Me no want no contention in my back. You hear me? I don't want no contention. Me say, at the end of the day, the man shouldn't a dead on the floor a Montego Bay. Should never Cornwall Original they too close. For them make the man bleed out. Fire lick your head. Head injury is emergent. Every nurse know that. Head injury is emergency. From your lick your head, you know say you're supposed to head to the hospital. You're not supposed to wait 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Before, no, somebody should have do nurse from she get there. She should have wrap up, I do her wrapping up, I wrap up the man, put pressure upon the head to make sure say and say, all right then, what time the ambulance a come? If the ambulance now come that the time there, can somebody take him to the hospital? Who can accompany him? Listen.
But that is true. That is true. That is true. Just say you have experience hospital, but I not say you talk when you talk about program. You say the government that today fix the most hospital, put the most equipment in the hospital. That is strength, and that just say really, that is strength. So you having a bad experience, you don't make it sound so much.
You see, that's why them can't recover in you. Because them agree with everything that happened.
With everything, man.
Everything.
That's
But
it.
no,
So you can't come disagree with anything
The
now.
lady that was
Mom,
talking
Mr. Blair.
about the guy that fell and hit his head. She said that she offered to pay for a taxi to take the man to the hospital, and they said that's not protocol. They have to follow protocol.
Yeah, but follow protocol and kill the man. Oh, that makes sense. Because that is negligence. That is complete negligence. Because the man, once you lick your head, every nurse know that. Every nurse. That is practical. Every nurse know that. Me not even do general nursing. Me do psyche nurse. And me know say from somebody lick them head.
But you know what? You know what's surprising? Very surprising at that. How can you have an airport without proper emergency? Because an ambulance is a part of the emergency. It's not just police and fire.
Medical facility.
And a big hospital as Cornwall Regional Hospital.
And in the big old airport, no doctor at all now travel go on. But the first thing, well, you see for over here, let me tell you where they would have said.
So they medical post at the hospital.
Over here, first thing from the man drop, them the first thing them teach you to do. Your company see the whole under Hugh Richards. Let me tell you what them do over here. So them teach you as a nurse to do. The first thing you do from somebody drop, you come on the scene, them see you drop, them they go down. And you say help. That's your first response to do for make sure say somebody call help, somebody call for help. So by that time, you're supposed to start do, you know say somebody gonna get help. Then you start to do what you need to do. Check over to see if the person a breathe. Once the person check to see if they have if them have if them airways clear and all of them something there. And then now you start to make sure say somebody a call an ambulance. When the ambulance a come, what you need and you start to do, you try and make sure say if it's a head injury, you can't leave the person too long. You make sure say you go get as much. You do the recovery. You put them on the recovery position. So you turn them over, set them on them side. So even if they bleed, you stem the blood. To make sure say the person now bleed out today. Come on, man, people.
That was gross negligence. And
seriously,
if it was a white person, I'm sure they would give
you can't leave the man. That's a big negligence. Big negligence, and that's why
the gentleman is 71 years old.
Somebody just asked, me internet now, Caroline or unfriendly, somebody requests to come up in the box, but me can't take them up. No, know the aim. It just when we put up the live, it now come up. Me don't know what's wrong with my internet. What?
No, but
if somebody can put up the person.
You know, me always wonder, the JLP them never admit to nothing where labor do it.
Never at all. I just can't understand.
Never you on a platform.
Somebody can put up. Somebody can put up.
No, man, finish you. Make you Richard finish.
As me say, I've never heard. So by the time you hear them say, one thing with you, Richard,
finish up.
You Richard saw the truth. And I've never heard one of them ever. Look, you ask my question. Like when time I say, Beatrice about FinSac. Me know me say, not one of the 18 years. Hear them explanation. Yes, but look here. It come like you give a cow, give a bucket of milk and kick it over. Meaning, you don't lick a sitting, but you kick it over. Me them never admit to nothing good with PNP though, and they never have done bad with JLP though. The JLP great. JLP never done bad yet. Never.
That is their biggest problem.
That
is their biggest problem. Yeah.
And then say every comer that lied. Me say even yesterday, Mr. Blair, you know, here yesterday with info. Info tell something. Info say.
And that's why I jump off for the live yesterday.
Info chat something. Info say what make a PNP a lead in the poll is because the bloggers them on social media tell lie, wicked lie about the Prime Minister, and the people them buy some say info. So the PNP bloggers them tell lie, and the JLP them tell truth and the positive growth of the country, and people now buy them. Say idiot they Jamaica. Him man said the Jamaica, the PNP bloggers them rock they on every platform and spread lie. Nothing the PNP say about truth. Them say, this one me go for a program, you know. Them when you used to say me I don't go want to speak just and say I be like me a hypocrite and I be like me walk and spread. But me I tell you them dangerous man, dangerous bad.
Because listen, even the Integrity Commission report now, you know. If the Integrity Commission report as it is pointing now that it will affect the government. Them never one day come out and yet and say, well, boy, it is not fair if we have members in parliament as illicit enrich themselves. They never speak against it. So what if it proven that it is true? How can they recover? Or could they recover? And that is the point. Them can't recover after that.
Then say Bruce Cole, then say, all right. Look, remember say Bruce Cole propose for the Integrity Commission number one, you know. Because Mr. Bruce Cole is a master of anti-corruption, you know. Remember say, you know, a Bruce Cole send back fit Greg Christie, you know. Because I say Greg Christie left mostly 2007, 2008, you know, from a contractor general thing, you know. You get me, I say? Remember say, while Bruce Golden proposed it, Mark Golden write the legislation, but remember say, the Integrity Commission staff under JLP government, you know. All these things, you know, when you tell them I say, no, they must say, all of them in their PNP, Greg Christie, PNP. Boy, I tell them, you know. And they might talk about the one man was saying an advisor to PJ, to Peter Phillips and all these things. I mean, I'm like, Chano, they might go to them way for this credit Integrity Commissioner. Greg Christie, when he used to celebrate like Greg is going to stand that White House, furniture scandal, every scandal like Greg Christie unveiling as contractor general. Every scandal in PNP, what am I talking about? And they used to celebrate Greg Christie. No Greg Christie at PNP.
But them go as far as to say Mark Golden write the legislation and put clause in it to exonerate him own self.
Oh, stupid! But this Parliament passed the legislation, so how could Parliament not realize that there's a clause in it?
JLP government.
That's so stupid.
Yeah, and it has to pass by a 2/3 majority in Parliament, and it was done in 2017 under Andrew Holness-led government.
Exactly.
And when you point out things like those to them say you lie. That's why sometimes we just leave them, and make them make this stupid talk. You understand? And them not even realize what they are saying. They don't even realize what they are saying. The Integrity Commission come out and said they are preparing a special report to be issued in September. And them say PNP and Integrity Commission in bed. So that's why Dean Campbell can say something and Julian Robinson can say something. You can't be so dumb.
Exactly.
You can't be so dumb.
Boy, I mean, no, I'm to them.
Well, see, that's why I'm going to invite them to have a box. You
can't reason so dumb.
But Mr.
Like
Blair,
you reason so dumb, people not going to listen to what you have to say.
Once they get into the gutter talk, I don't really have time for that, because that's not really...
you know, me notice if we are listening on the For You page, I make a little slip. I just go over there, them invite in the box. Exactly. And when you go in the box, they start chat garbage. You have to just come out.
But me know you want to make you run off a KD yesterday.
Who said that?
When name?
Info media.
Chef, no man, Chef Wayne. Chef, remember that we jump off our life because
I'm here to jump up when you need to start.
So we don't know that Dutch business, man.
I was listening to the live, a pure propaganda.
Cash, my stomach can't deal with people like Chef Wayne and them.
But Cash, you were on it. You know, say I be a fool, Chef Wayne come to attack. You can't have it done.
Foolishness. First of all, come with ignorance. That's the first.
Exactly.
Yeah, right. Yeah. That's why I'm jump off.
Come on. Can start talking about Bunty thief and Mark Golden thief and the one a thief and the FinSac. I said they want to release a FinSac report. Bunty, let me just come up. I can't agree with idiot. Can remember say Cash, remember say remember say me info the day now. I don't mute your mic and talk one phone. I say I be a garbage info chat.
Info a comedy, man. Info a comedy. Sometimes when I be info much, Mike. Info a comedy. But when he come with him ignorancy and illiterate self, you understand? We couldn't bother debate. You can't debate with people like them.
I wanted them to explain to me how Mark Golden and Peter Bunting robbed Jamaica. Because as far as I'm aware, Mark Golden and Peter Bunting, they were in the banking business and they bought back bad debt, which is they were not the only bank that bought debt and bought the bad debt.
Exactly. And Mark Golden was never an advisor to Omar Davis during FinSac.
No.
Mark Golden was a corporate lawyer and him represent the corporate world at that time.
Mark Golden was never advisor to Omar Davis. He was a part of South St. Andrew executive, not advisor to Omar Davis. And that them I get mixed up with. He was part of South St. Andrew executive.
Because them things so them can run out with the whole heap of garbage and thing. We're not into that. You have to put facts on the table, irrefutable facts.
Yeah, man, say make it too Richard and JLP yesterday. Yeah, me what a liar, man.
Man, said the biggest transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich. And
Mr. Cole, when you say me and you run off a platform?
Yeah, it too you.
And then that's how we can agree done.
Well, I know, yesterday when me I beat them, saying you see two of them run off. When they say who, they say two. Hear me. Mighty God. Hey.
That's why I'm about.
Hey, you Richard.
Yeah.
You. Oh yeah.
Yeah, me a year quote. Me a year circle.
Anyhow, my 5-year-old granddaughter. I will reason like them. You know, somebody, any old granddaughter reason like them. You know, me beat him at a Pete.
Yeah, tell them about
Yeah, man. You're not going to pick me good.
yeah, what is it?
Me no debate with ignorance and dunce.
So wait now. That means
Yeah.
Mr. Alwan,
Mr. Blair, big strap that thing have, Mr. Blair.
Philippo.
No, Mr. Blair. Come here, Blair, big strap that thing get, you know.
Of course.
Tear off two use, in tear of 2 stripe, and Joshua and the other man they couldn't do it. Great man in wicked and bad.
We beat every labor right. As them top people. We beat everybody. You understand? Now him come back to boy make me run.
You know, me feel so sick for a morning. Me I tell you the truth, me feel sick now, but me feel sick bad. Me hear one name sitting there. Philippian a diss me. So Joshua call her, bust it on the phone and tell her something. Cause I couldn't send her something to read.
Yeah.
And when Joshua call her, when she on the live, here Joshua, I don't send her something Philippo, read it. Here, the Integrity Commission, said that hear me, and everybody know me knows that true. Hear me, if Giselle read like you, I beat her in 1 week straight.
Philippian always tell people so they don't have degree.
Me
No,
say,
a good day I want to talk about degree. Good day I want to talk about degree.
Philippian told me that she
Philippian talk about degree too.
Yeah, man, she said it to me, and I immediately said to her, "You don't know me."
Philippian have Down syndrome, and I notice her talk. She have Down syndrome.
that pass that man. Me say, when me hear Joshua look pan her and say, Philippian I send you something, read it. So she try remember.
Anything where Joshua send to Philippian, you can go nowhere on the website, them and find it.
No.
You're Filipino. And there is a lot of
get film sitting them from a somebody called Joshua and give film
Richard, give Richard a talk. Yes, Richard.
Go. We want to come in long time on the hospital thing and we go back on the airport thing, you see? So tell me now, suppose something in greater than a major at the airport, where would they get adequate amount of hospital, ambulance for supply the sick, move the sick from the hospital? From down airport, move the injury from the airport. They mean in corner region have one hospital, just one hospital, one ambulance, and it wasn't available. Like I one ambulance corner never available.
No, Darrell say I said no, Darrell boss say I said them have access to 7.
Hold on, listen. 7. This is public. What about public hospital where you supposed to we pay them there, we put them there for survey. And there's a big facility that corner region with so much in areas of cover. Only one ambulance, and then again over the camp, they should have ambulance over the camp, over the soldier camp, over the base. There's one ambulance over there.
I don't see.
At the airport.
And a serious note, people, we have me not cutting up, but we have a big man over here who come from Jamaica. He's a Jamaican, but he's big in the NHS over here. So it look like we have to go hit him up and ask him if he can try and see if he can get 2 ambulance.
Hold on. You know what ambulance company walk on Ratton? You know what ambulance company walk on Ratton?
Well, on the Richard.
You're kidding
in an
me.
airport, you see, the 3 main equipment is ambulance, fire truck, and police vehicle. Those are necessity when it comes to airport. Because anything can happen to a plane with 200 or 300 people in there, and you need ambulances to evacuate them immediately. You understand? So ambulance should be and must be at the airport.
So now we know why the United States placed that. It was not the reason.
Mute the phone, we can hear Cash. Mute the phone, we can hear Cash. Please, everybody mute them phone. We can hear Cash. Miss Smile, mute your phone too.
Yeah, man, we know why that travel ban was necessary. They don't play it and they've spent billions of dollars and they did marketing campaigns to tell people, oh, Jamaica is fine. But if you ask me, I would recommend that family soon.
Miss Smile, mute your phone, Miss Smile, mute your phone, Smile, please.
If it was an American, and well, he isn't. Was someone who's an American, most definitely. Because that was gross negligence. Gross negligence. Not even one.
And Cash, you know the reason why them issued the travel ban? There was a lady in Montego Bay earlier on this year who had a mental problem, and she took off all her clothes in the airport. You understand? And there was not enough medical people to surround her and to capture her and to get her. It was all over the internet with the American white man naked around up and down in the airport. That is why them issued that travel ban pertaining to medical authority that time. So this will make it even worse.
Mute your
phone, the comment call. Mute your phone.
You will be Daryl Vaz would be in charge of the airport, right?
Smile, mute comment call phone. Can't make too nice.
Yes, Scott. Daryl Vaz is the Minister of Transport.
Okay. Why are we seeing so much failure in the Minister of Transport Energy?